You won't believe the features Ultra Yield Finance brings in 2026. Most people think finance apps just track spending, but Ultra Yield is designed to help you save, manage, and grow your money efficiently. Ultra Yield lets you set multiple financial goals, such as emergency funds, debt repayment, or long-term savings, and automatically calculates contributions based on your income and spending habits. Small, consistent transfers can add up faster than you expect, making long-term financial goals much more attainable. The app also provides predictive spending alerts. It tracks your upcoming bills, subscriptions, and spending patterns, warning you if adjustments are needed to avoid overdrafts or late fees. The dashboard shows a clear visual of your cash flow, progress toward each goal, and recommendations for optimizing spending. Security is solid, with multi-factor authentication, encryption, and real-time fraud monitoring. Your funds are insured, and support is available through chat or email if you ever need help. The main limitation is that Ultra Yield focuses on automated savings and financial management. It doesn't offer advanced investment or full banking services. However, for anyone who wants a modern, user-friendly way to automate savings and track financial progress, it's a strong choice. So, is Ultra Yield Finance worth it in 2026? Definitely for those seeking an intelligent, secure, and proactive way to manage and grow their money. Subscribe to stay informed about the best financial apps to improve your finances.